You know my bankroll. Got a lot of zeros.
He said torque down.
Twerked. Twerked.
I twerk building
We're a bunch
trains.
of children when we get together. Oh boy. I don't know if you guys love when I turn over the extra 1,000 miles, but I absolutely love showing you guys the work that the 6.4 does. It is literally, I don't want to say the best daily driver because it's actually way too big to be like the perfect daily driver, but this thing just chugs down the road. I mean, you see we're doing 72, 75, somewhere in that realm. RPM 2000, but she's just chugging away. There it is, 291 on the old 6.4 Power Stroke. Everybody's favorite, love to hate. All right, let's get down there, Andy. I'm on my way, Andy. We got the transmission in the back. Can you see the transmission back there? Let's get her rebuilt. Well, we know we're in the right place because there is nothing but clapped out shit boxes laying around this place. So we've got to be here. Definitely check out my boy Andy, Diablo Formula Racing, on all of his social media platforms. I mean, it's literally shitbox nation. You guys think I'm bad? Andy's just as bad. All right, let's get in here and see my little troll friend. Andy! Hello.
Hello, sir. How can I help you to this beautiful day?
Yes, I was wondering if this is Clapbox Shitbox Nation.
It is a clap out shipbox nation. I'm glad to see you here.
I'm glad to be here.
What kind of clapped out shipbox Ford F450 do you have?
Oh no, we're here for the Chevy today. And it kind of looks like I'm drinking like some kind of like weird like concoction, but it's just a Mio, guys.
It's definitely alcohol.
No, it's not. I would tell you if it was. I don't care.
You'd bring me some.
We'll drink that after we get the job done.
I should have brought some.
Yeah.
I only got petrol though at the house.
Yikes. All right, well, let's figure this out. So Andy opens the door to about here, thinking I can pull in. We're going in. We're here. We're in. I don't want to hit the ZL1 here, but I do want to get the trains out of the bed. All right, plug and chug.
Ready? Oh, my hands are gonna get dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna like stuff. Ready, bud? I can pick something in here. Yeah, throw it in there. Oh, we shoved it too far. Get out of this thing. Motherfucker's gotta actually do work. Here we go, I'll reposition the cameras for us.
Perfect.
Oh, I drained all the oil out of it, Andy.
I thought I did, okay. Well, you can see it in my last video.
I seen you drop a train in your last minute.
I definitely dropped it. Geronimo.
It was like, I'm going for gold, ladies and germs.
It slipped.
And it slipped. It slipped.
Well, it was actually one of those where like I have technically like two squares. So I was like, if anything breaks, I'll just pull it out of the Civic.
Yeah.
So it didn't really matter.
They were like, screw it.
They both need rebuilt anyway, so I was just like, eh.
Clean my beautiful table off here.
so strong. He's so strong like bull.
Oh, strong like bull.
Hey, my hands are dirty. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of fun watching other people tear shit apart. Normally I'm more tearing shit apart.
So stupid, I gotta record it.
I feel like I'm okay with being goofy. Guys, I don't ever get to be goofy on video, so it's my fault. Now, like, I'll get all the comments like, you're super immature. Like,
That man's there trying to work, and you're just fucking off.
and you're fucking around. That's just rude.
I wish I had a friend like Andy. Damn, you still doing the ran too? What the freak, man?
Oh, I didn't take it apart. Kind of wish you guys would have just seen that, but check out Andy's channel. You'll see it on his channel. I hope he doesn't leave in the part that he said, but
What happened? Oh, I'm definitely putting that in, dude. That thing's bent to hell.
luckily we got two more down there with the other.
This here is your park prop. So you put it in park.
My chicken wall.
When you put it in park, that comes out. Stops it from moving. Ah, look at that. We learn something new every day, huh, buddy?
That's my chicken wall. Not to be confused with my pole wall. I don't know who pole wall is.
Still need your damn servo out of here, though. 2-4 servo. Yeah, hold on. Dude, that thing is in there, man.
That's what she said.
That servo is in there, like crazy in there. It's just a snap ring, big snap ring that goes in there.
Ooh, you almost missed her.
That's what the bucket's here for. Oh, did you get it? Too bad. How about now?
No. Still nothing.
All that mud, dude. Don't chip away at the case. Just leave it in there, we'll soak it down some more. Too bad you don't have that fluid film.
I know. Son of a whisker biscuit.
Don't sit on top of my shit.
I don't know why I screamed like a little girl right there.
There you go. Yeah, that's good. Just don't touch that. Alright, you ready? This is the bee's knees of your problems right here, buddy. Burnt 3/4 clutches.
Wow.
Dude, they're gone. Like, they are gone. They're donezo. They're supposed to look like this.
A little hot.
That's what they're supposed to look like.
But it wasn't even in third or fourth. It was in first gear the whole time. So that would explain why it sometimes felt weird.
Yeah, because when you go, once that hits third, boom, it's over. It is over. It is over! Now let's see what your forward clutch looks like.
My Ford clutches look good. They drive.
Yeah, they're not too shabby. Little hot. Little hot tamale, but not bad.
See, so Andy has torn down a bunch of these. I can tell you guys, like, this thing didn't, like, it had problems, but it didn't. And I just wanted to make sure that we got all this taken care of before I sell this thing, so.
These never, hardly ever burn up those.
Yeah.
I forget what they're called, but they hardly ever freaking go. That's it, boss. Everything's torn down for the most part. 90% torn down, basically.
Do you want a muffin?
Do I want a muffin? Do I want a... Nah, I'm good, thanks. Feed it to me.
I can't grab it.
Never mind, probably got time. Oh my god.
Coronavirus.
That was literally the gayest thing we've ever done, period.
No, there was that one time.
And we've done some shit.
There was that one time. I'm not
Oh,
going to
this
discuss.
one's juicy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's not the first time you said that to me either. Oh, boy. We're so gay.
We are. Alright, there you go, guys. Transmission's completely torn down. Now it's just a whole bunch of cleaning, replace seals, and put it back together again.
But yeah, what he said. We'll pick back up with you guys in a minute.
Yeah.
All right, well, at this point, we've got the transmission all torn down. We've got everything over here. As you heard Andy say, the clutch packs, the 3/4s are completely trashed. I'll try to zoom in on them once we get everything back together. But I'm gonna start cleaning some parts here, and I'm sure you guys don't really wanna sit here and watch me clean a bunch of parts, so see you guys in a minute. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.
See, did it go all the way down? Yeah, it did. Woo! Woo!
We had a whole case of brake clean. We're down to one. We're both very hi.
Hi. All right.
Alrighty, well, since Landy. Since Andy is losing his mind here, I'm gonna end my portion of this segment here and let you go on and sign on to Andy's for any more if you want to see anything else. Definitely check him out, Andy Diablo Formula Racing. I really appreciate you here. The reason I'm ending it right now is I'm running super low on SD card because this has been taking like 3 days.
Dude, fuck you, man.
All right, we'll pick back up once we're all back assembled and getting ready to drop the oil pan and everything on. But if you want to check everything else out, definitely check out Andy. My boy Blue. You know my bankroll. Got a lot of zeros. All right, guys, sorry, we're just being goofy here. But we've got everything assembled back together. Andy went ahead and
I did some magic.
Did some changes in here that I don't like, but he likes them. He's excited. I just wanted this to be stock.
It's kind of stock.
All right, well, we're gonna find out. So
I mean,
we're getting her all back together.
I'm not gonna find out. You're gonna find out.
Oh, you're gonna know. You're gonna know.
We're like, my neck hurts every time this fucking thing shifts.
Yeah.
My neck hurts.
Definitely. But we're reassembling. We've got everything back together. Basically, all we gotta do is I gotta clean out the pan here. Once you get these bolts and everything torqued down, and we're almost ready to rock and roll.
He said torque down.
Twerked.
I twerk building
We're a bunch
trains.
of children when we get together. Alrighty, well, this is going to go ahead and conclude tonight's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to my man Andy from Diablo Formula Racing. Definitely give him a shout out, and I hope you guys can hear me over all these torque specs happening.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Good morning. Oh, no, it's good night. All right, guys. Well, that is going to go ahead and wrap up this video for today. We've got this thing all rebuilt. I'm excited. Huge shout out to Andy, Diablo Formula Racing, as you see on the screen, for lending a helping hand in a situation like this. I truly appreciate it. Lunch was good, but dinner is going to be better with a few adult beverages.
Oh, are you gonna buy me dinner?
Let's do it.
Oh, I want to touch your wee-wee.
Woo! All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Again, another video in the books. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait to get this thing reinstalled and really feel that shift kit power that Andy went ahead and installed here. So if you guys like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Toodles!
Oh, you need something.
I need you to say toodles.